Quesadilla Salvadoreno. A dessert from El Salvador. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Mix butter and sugar until creamy. Step 2. Add eggs one at a time. Step 3. Sift flour and baking powder. Add to sugar mixture little by little. Step 4. Add sour cream to the Parmesan cheese, mixing well. Step 5. Grease spring pan or baking dish with butter. Add mixture evenly. Decorate with sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 60 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.